Question 11, we want the following statements to always be true. So let's run through these. Now, if you can reject H0 at a 10% level, now think about that. Imagine your critical regions then. You've got a 10% area. That's where you would be rejecting H0. Now that's going to be a bigger area, isn't it, than if you were having a 5% significance level. So simply because something falls in the 10% critical region won't mean it will necessarily fall in the 5% critical region. So A is false. B, the significance level is equal to the probability of falling in the critical region. Well, not necessarily. We want to try and get it as close as we can to that significance level, but we've often seen in questions that it's often the first value where we dip below that significance level, and sometimes they can be quite different. And if you remember, the probability of falling in the critical region is called the actual significance level, not the significance level necessarily given in the question. So B is false. And C, the probability of falling in each of the critical regions in a two-tailed test, they will only be equal. Hopefully you noticed this in one of my videos last week. They'll only be equal if P equals 0.5. So that won't always be true either. So in fact, we've got false, false, false. So it is in fact D, none are true.